Do you want to make a beautiful landing page for free today? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making landing pages for free in a matter of seconds. Alright guys, so we are inside of Builderall right now, and I just want to show you a simple landing page that you can create in a matter of seconds. No matter what niche or what product or service that you are trying to offer to your audience, you can create it in Builderall, and I want to show you how to do that real quick. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to my sites right here, and then when that loads, we're going to choose one of the landing pages that I've already pre-made, and I'm going to go ahead and click on it right now, and it's this one. So let's say that you were in the dog training niche and you wanted to send traffic from any source, and you wanted to send them to your landing page. So this is just a quick, simple landing page I literally made in 5 minutes. I just grabbed the image off of Google and created a headline of free video training, 3 simple step formula to master the art of dog training. Watch the video and see how to train your dog the right way. So what you would do is you would just literally you can add and change the color of the screen, of the background. So let's say we wanted to change the color. We would go to color, and let's say I wanted to make it yellow. I'm gonna make it yellow, and then boom, hit OK, and then there you go. And if I want to change the image, if I didn't like this image of the dog and the person, I would right click on my mouse, go to change image, and then it will pull up the screen for me to change any of the images that I want. So this is really simple to make, guys. And I love Builderall's interface. It's moving slow right now because I'm recording my screen, but it's pretty quick when it's pretty quick when you're trying to load up everything. So you just upload an image and then hit confirm, and it will show right here. And then you can just add text by clicking on the text button right here on the left hand side and create your text. And then to create an email opt-in, you just click the plus sign right here, and it will come with you can click on the pop-up, or you can click contact form, either one, or add email form, and you'll be able to, for example, add an opt-in box to collect emails, and you can attach your autoresponder. So this is just a quick one that I wanted to show you guys. Let me show you 2 examples of more detailed ones. So here is one. This is a template, by the way. So if you wanted to, you can add your personalized logo. You can create any headline you want. Here's a button for you to send your traffic to. And just look, guys, you can add literally anything to this template. You can put testimonials. You can put what you offered. You can put see what our clients are saying. So more testimonials. Just literally just click it, right click and change the text, and you can literally just type whatever you want. You can erase it and put whatever. It's that simple. Here is another one. Now let's say you wanted to offer like a free ebook. Here's an already made template for you of a landing page where you can literally just, like I said, change the image. So you can already have your ebook image already made. You just change it out. You can change your headline, you can change your logo, you can change your sub headline with bullet points, and boom, here's your button, get instant access. And then you can also put testimonials and things of that nature. So a very professionally made landing page that's already made for you because it's a template. So you don't have to do what I did and made a simple one in a matter of 5 minutes. You can literally just click on the templates inside of Builderall and build out, and just literally just plug in what you want to plug in anywhere for your landing pages. So I said that you could do this for free. And that's correct, you can. So what you're going to do is click the link in the description box below, and it will take you to this page where you can start creating landing pages for free. All you have to do is enter in your email address for 7 days. You don't need to type in a credit card or anything. And it's just going to give you guys a chance to try out Builderall for yourselves. It's not asking you to sign up for anything, but you just are going to try it out and see if you like the tools that it offers. And like I said, this is just one of the many tools that it does offer, but in this video I just wanted to show you how you can create a landing page. And also, if you want to, I also want to go ahead and show you how you can also promote Builderall. And if you want to promote it, you will also receive a bonus from me, and that will be a free course on how you can actually promote Builderall. And that will also be in the description box below. And you will get a training series on how to make $2,000 per month promoting Builderall, and also how to make a full-time income using the Builderall tools. So this is going back to like creating the landing pages and how you can go into Facebook and get traffic there, use messenger bots, emails, all of that. But that's going to be in the description box below as well. So if you want to, you can click on that and check it out. Or if you just want to try out the Builderall tools for 7 days, you can click the first link in the description box below. Both links will be in the description. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you could, please hit that subscribe button and also like the video and comment down below any suggestions.